As technology continues to evolve at breakneck speeds, one of the most exciting and promising advancements has been in the field of deep learning. This powerful technology is changing the way we approach everything from artificial intelligence to data analysis, and as a result, it's creating an incredible demand for skilled professionals who can harness its capabilities. If you're looking for a career path with a bright future, then deep learning might just be the perfect fit. Over the next 5 years, we can expect to see an explosion in deep learning jobs across a wide range of industries. From healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing, companies are increasingly looking to leverage this technology to improve their operations, make better decisions, and gain a competitive edge. As a result, there will be an ever-growing need for individuals who possess the skills necessary to develop and deploy these solutions. So what exactly does a deep learning job entail? Put simply, it involves using sophisticated algorithms and neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data in order to identify patterns and make predictions. This is accomplished by training these networks on massive amounts of data until they become highly accurate at recognizing specific patterns or behaviors. Once trained, they can be used to solve complex problems that would otherwise be impossible with traditional computing methods. Some of the most common roles in this field include machine learning engineers, data scientists, artificial intelligence, AI, researchers, and software engineers specializing in neural networks. These professionals work together to design and implement deep learning solutions that are tailored to their specific industry or application. For example, in healthcare, deep learning can be used to analyze medical images such as CT scans or X-rays and identify potential health issues early on. In finance, it can be used to predict market trends or detect fraud more effectively than ever before. In transportation, it can help autonomous vehicles navigate complex environments safely. The potential applications for deep learning are nearly endless, which means that there will always be new opportunities for skilled professionals to make a difference in their chosen field. And as demand for these skills continues to grow, so too will the salaries and benefits on offer. Of course, it's important to note that deep learning is not an easy field to break into. It requires a strong foundation in mathematics, computer science, and statistics, as well as experience with programming languages such as Python and TensorFlow. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be truly life-changing. If you're considering a career in deep learning, then there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of success. One is to pursue formal education in relevant fields such as computer science or electrical engineering. This can help you build a strong foundation of knowledge and skills that will serve you well throughout your career. Another important step is to gain practical experience working on real-world projects. This can be done through internships, research positions, or personal projects that enable you to apply your skills in a meaningful way. By doing so, you'll gain invaluable experience and insights that will help prepare you for the challenges of working in this exciting field. Overall, there has never been a better time to pursue a career in deep learning. As technology continues to advance at lightning speed, the need for skilled professionals who can leverage this technology will only continue to grow. So if you're looking for an exciting and rewarding career path with virtually unlimited potential, then deep learning might just be the perfect choice for you. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly transforming the way we live and work. Among the various subsets of artificial intelligence, deep learning has emerged as one of the most promising fields. It has attracted a lot of attention from not only tech enthusiasts but also businesses worldwide. Deep learning is an area of machine learning that involves training neural networks to recognize patterns in large datasets. It is used across industries, including e-commerce, finance, healthcare, and robotics. As a result, there is a high demand for skilled professionals in this field. So, what are the most in-demand deep learning jobs? Let's explore some of them. 1. Deep learning engineer. A deep learning engineer is responsible for designing and building neural networks that can process vast amounts of data accurately and efficiently. They work with other data scientists, software engineers, and researchers to develop new methods for improving machine learning models. This job requires strong programming skills in languages like Python or Java, experience working with large datasets and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. 2. Computer vision engineers. Computer vision engineers work on developing algorithms that allow computers to understand images or videos. They leverage deep learning techniques to build systems that can recognize objects or faces accurately. This job requires knowledge of machine vision techniques such as object detection, image segmentation, or face recognition. The ability to program in languages such as C++ or Python is also essential. 3. Machine learning research scientists. Machine learning research scientists work on developing new algorithms that make machine learning models more accurate and efficient at processing large datasets. This job requires a strong background in mathematics and statistics, since research scientists need to be able to develop mathematical models from scratch. Expertise in programming languages like R or Python is also necessary. 4. A natural language processing engineer. Natural language processing (NLP) engineers design algorithms that enable computers to process human language correctly automatically. NLP engineers use deep learning techniques such as recurrent neural networks (RNN) and long short-term memory (LSTM) models to build systems that can understand and interpret human speech. This job requires expertise in statistical language modeling, machine learning, and programming languages such as Python or Java. 5. Data scientists. Data scientists use statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms to identify patterns in large datasets. They then use this information to make predictions or recommendations for businesses. This job requires a strong background in statistics, mathematics, and machine learning. Expertise in programming languages like Python or R is essential. The demand for deep learning experts is growing at an unprecedented rate. According to a recent report by LinkedIn, AI-related jobs have grown by 74% annually over the past 4 years, which is much faster than other high-growth sectors. The report also shows that the demand for deep learning professionals has exceeded the supply. As per the same report, there are only 30,000 people worldwide with expertise in deep learning today, but millions of jobs available worldwide. As more companies begin to invest in artificial intelligence technologies, they will require skilled professionals who can help them navigate the ever-changing landscape of deep learning. Therefore, if you want a career in AI or are looking to switch fields, it's time to start developing your deep learning skills. In conclusion, if you're interested in pursuing a career in AI and deep learning, there is an abundance of opportunities out there for you. From computer vision engineers to data scientists, there's no shortage of options available for those with a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming. We hope that our list of 5 most sought-after jobs has helped you understand what you need to succeed as an artificial intelligence professional. So what are you waiting for? Start preparing yourself today and get ahead of the competition.